Okay, work it up the try not to say shaft, but work it up the shaft. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by me. I picked up some units from Amazon that I want to showcase for y'all. These are some faux lock units, and I am really excited about these because this is my son's birthday, so we're about to head out. So I'm trying to figure out which one I want to wear. I'm kind of feeling this one, but y'all gonna help me decide, okay? So before we get into these wigs, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Now, if you're new to my channel or you forgot, I do have hair loss and thinning around my hairline and in the middle of my head, but I am working on that with some different methods. If you have not seen my most updated PCOS video, make sure you check that out. I will link it down below in the description box, also in the pinned comments at the top. This is how my hair is looking. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I am definitely getting some growth up in here. These little fuzzies and the little bald spot back here has some fuzzies, which I have not seen fuzzies in years for that spot. That was my first bald spot on my head. So that, what is it? A derma roller and using my oil, I think it's doing something. I hope it is. We'll see. We're gonna keep working on that. But this is not about PCOS, it's about my styling. So I need to get me a wig cap. Hold up. Now, like I said, I am doing two styles. Both of these wigs came from Amazon, but one is like an Amazon wig and the other is a Bobbi Boss unit. I recently tried another lock wig on my YouTube shorts. If you don't have your notifications on, make sure you put those on because I do post YouTube shorts as well. Those have like some of my fashion looks, my wig updates, as well as new synthetic wigs that I do not feel like making videos for. So I just need this to go all back. Put on the wig cap like so. The first wig I'm going to try on is the Amazon one. It comes with some lashes. You get a wig cap. I just want my drink. This is a natural color 1B. I chose this one because I wanted it to look kind of similar to the last one that I did. I did link this one in that video or in the short, and I told you guys this one may be a dupe for that one, so I wanted to show you guys how it looked on me. That's how it's looking. Okay, that's kind of cute. Let's see how she look on my head. So I'm put on my wig grip first. There's no lace on this wig, okay? It's a smooth cap all the way around, but it does have the adjustable straps in the back and the comb. And it has two combs on the side. I know we're protecting the edges, okay? So I pop it under my wig grip if I need some extra security. Okay, I can see the potential. The part is more so, what is this? The part is kind of like, is it in the middle? It's like off to the side. Needs a little work, needs a little shaping because this is too perfect. So what I did in that short, I literally just took it, pulled it, and I did like this. That's what I did to make it a little bit more messy. Pull it, work your hand back, okay? Work it up the I was trying not to say shaft, but work it up the shaft. Work it up the hair to the root. I'm going to keep doing this all over until I get the look that I want. I want this to be like a messy lock look. I'm gonna bump out the front here. So I'm literally just putting the comb through and bumping it like that. My ends are still under the wig. Kind of giving the look of like a ponytail look, almost. Keep on pulling. Keep on distressing the hair. Don't want it to be perfect. I do want to put some gel on my sides, but first I may be able to do like a, what you call it? Let me bring this down. Like a ponytail look. Let's just see if it'll work out. Do this ponytail. Thank you, booty. Oh, I didn't need that one, honey. That stays in there. Thank you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it seem like it's like parted almost. Bring it like that. I'm going to use some of my Eco Styler gel. Very light. Now, if you don't have edges or your hairline is a little bit too sparse, there are products you can use to fill in your hairline, like my my Topic right here. But if it's really, really thin and you don't want to leave your edges out, you can definitely wear this as a full cap and still style it, you know, this way. You can still do the half up, half down ponytail, just have the hair kind of fall in front of your face. Still ways to finagle this wig if you want to wear it as a full cap. Keep on working with it. We'll do a little bit of makeup, then we'll come back, see the final look for this one, and then we'll style the second one, okay? Okay, y'all, so here's the final look for this one right here. I am pleasantly surprised about this wig. This wig looks very wiggy on the actual stock card on the site, so I was a little worried, but it actually fluffs out really nicely and I like how it looks on me. This is what the middle is looking like. Again, it is not a lace front wig, so you will see all that, but no one should be on top of your head besides your bae. Okay, listen. We are grown, all right? So this is how we are sitting. I think I'm sitting real cute, but I can't keep this one on because I gotta style the other one. So let's go ahead and get into that real quick. Okay, let's go. Okay, next up we have this Bobbi Boss wig. Not to be confused with the other one that I just tried from them. This is one from the same collection, but this has more of a curl on the end. So let me cut off the tag really quick. So this is the Bobbi Boss Natural Style M1020 Starter Locks. So that's how that card looks. The other one that I tried was the Freeform Locks. I am definitely loving the curl on this one. The reason I got this one is thanks to a girl that I saw on TikTok. She was wearing the heck out of this wig and I thought it was her hair. I couldn't find this one initially. That's why I got the other one, the Freeform Locks. But then she posted this one. I was like, okay, there it is. I gotta get this one. It does come with the baby hairs in the front. So if you do not have a hairline, you can swoop these if you want to. But y'all know I don't really do swoops, I do swishes. So I'm gonna put this behind my hairline and rock it like that. It does seem like it comes with a natural right side part. First, hold on, let me bring up my wig grip a little bit and we're gonna pop this on. Pop it on, pop it on. Okay, she looking she looking real wiggy, but we're gonna get it together. So I need to fluff out these ends, get that hair unpacked. Am I getting shut in? Getting like one or two pieces here and there, but not much. It's more so just pulling the ends off because of the hair. I'm gonna have to cut that because that ain't right. This one, I think I wanna do like some twist in the front. I mean, I could actually like put this back, pull this back like that, put on a headband, and I would be good to go. That could definitely be, you know, the style, but I think I wanna do some twist on the side over here. So I'm going to take this off. I gotta pull out some of my hair really quick. Bring a little bit right here. Bring this over, pull that all back, put the wig grip back on, put the wig on. Now I need to twist up this hair. Twist, 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 twist. Twist this one, taking no time at all. Twist this one this way. And bring my wig grip up because it's sliding back a little bit. I'm gonna take my spray bottle of water right here in the front, just to lay this back. Now these are not twisting here, so it will look a little janky until it frizzes up, you know what I'm saying? Honestly, because of how this is sitting on my head, I could literally just bump the ends out. So I'm actually gonna tuck this back into the wig, like so. Because of how it's sitting on the front, I don't necessarily need them to be out. So, perfect. The more I wear this one, the more lived in it will look, and it will look a lot better. So, I am here for this one as well. Swoop like this. I wouldn't say it tangles only because this is a lock unit, so it's not really meant to be like, you know, combed through, but the ends are kind of locked together, so you will need to separate those. Probably even like swoop it a little bit. Need to kind of go right over my brow. That's how you know it's swooping. Plug it up by the ear. There are those edges. So if I want to bring those down from the wig, I can kind of work with those a little bit. And here we go with this one. Do we like the swoop? I think I do. Okay, for some locks is giving body, but if you want to check out either one of these wigs, I will link them both down below so you guys can do that. Shout out one more time to me for getting these wigs to showcase for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so there is anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.